Punani cat it make the man a run down. Punani fat it pull DG string down. The way your heart even gal a turn round. Make man a bust dance and all a sing town. Juicy and the Punani cats. I'm on a sticky trap like I was a hungry rat. And I know she like banana, cause I'm monkey fat. And she got the chunky rack, and she got the donkey bag. Beat the drum, hit them with the tambourine. The figure won't come, I mean never put it in. Me bring a condom, prepare for the daiquiri. Just make sure you warm up before you want. Girl, running at the bed with your cute looking frizzy hair. Now stand up like a roar, but you heard everything I said. Open up the door, let me come and run that pussy bird. I get it slippery like a butter on a bread. Hey, even the whip wet me at the first day body head. Pistol fully loaded, but me drop a bomb and send me up. Girl in every seat, I me put on the G. Run girl like taxi, no man in a me backseat. Me tell her if be ready by 8, but she not ready yet. Me tell her she don't wanna be late like Peter Perry, yeah. She in the mirror dancing a wheel like she a idiot. Me tell her run on people one eye, but we not fetty wet. She come downstairs looking great in a spaghetti strap. I said I got the meat and the sauce, we go in the lab. Then I took a look at her face, I know she feeling that. Then she put her hand on her waist and started spinning that. She took long to get, just be quick to get naked. I said I'm impressed now, turn around, shake it. She bind on her cat and say beat it, break it. She spin on me cock like E.T. Spaceship. A man came home and she was still shaking. He said, is it me or does it smell like bacon? She said, no you're not mistaken, but you're very late and you just missed the breakfast I was making. You gotta get real tricky kicky. Them all a lie just to get a piece of dicky kicky. Them all a lie just to get a one night quickie. But them coulda never make this dog ticky 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 ticky. They gotta move real tricky kicky. And by themselves, them a go on real freaky kicky. Them a fi cut cause them cat fucking too shaggy. Them a fi cut cause them cat fucking too friendly. Them make me laugh. Now I am a dog, I will never stop chase kitty. All in the octagon, we will even fight the octopusy. But I rather put the hickey on your see man I grind, a master of vagina. Ya shall not do a knot from when me crap behind ya. As a matter of fact, let me get behind. Turn back with that crawl like a spider. She got the shit when it dicks inside. She makes stink face when it dicks inside. She jump up the ball. She thinks it's right. Hold on tight, don't slip my side out. Drop to the floor, still want more. Even when her pussy sore. She lick it like a lollipop before she suck it. She like to take her time, but this one like be broke it. I force it all up in her pussy, make the pussy. She wet like both my cock and flow. And now we sailing out. Where you wanna go? Or what you wanna do? But the only place I wanna be is inside you. Inside you.